Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just an awesome 1934 Ford three-window pickup. Killer little truck, guys. Actually, my buddy Greg here actually found this truck locally for me. Bought it from an older gentleman. He said he was in his 80s. Great truck. He didn't build it. He went down and actually bought the truck down at the Rod Run in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee years ago. And but just killer truck, man. Finished in torch red. It's got a tan interior, beautifully done wood bed, steel body, steel cabs, steel bed. It's got glass fenders and running boards on it. And I'll tell you what, man, you want to talk about a nice driving son of a gun. This thing's a little sweetheart. Matter of fact, Greg drove it 80 miles back to here. Mustang II front suspension, so it's got front disc brakes with a rack and pinion steering on it. And it is cool. Again, glass front fenders. It's got the dropped headlight bar. And one thing we noticed is that it's actually got a truck grill in it. Again, it is a Mustang II front suspension. Does have the pop-out windshield. Tinted glass. Really cool truck. Very nice wood bed in it. It's got a real nice fuel cell in it as well. Sorry. Truck is just really nice. Got to get Jordy's big rear end out of the way there. Did a nice job on that tail panel. Really cool set of exhaust tips. It's got a real good sound on exhaust too. It's Edelbrock. It's got Edelbrock mufflers. It's got a good sound to it. That's a good looking little truck, man. It's got rear drums, front disc. It's got an Edelbrock 4-barrel polished aluminum intake. You can see a nice billet air cleaner and valve covers. It's also got MSD ignition with a Pro Billet distributor. It's got the Saunderson block hugger headers. 350 trans with a trans cooler. Again, Mustang II front suspension with rack and pinion steering, front disc brakes. Real nice. It's got all the billet trim. Bench seat. Tilt column with a billet steering wheel. It's one of these switches do the, I think that might be the light. No. One, yeah, it's got a dome light here on the dash. Does have electric wipers. Overhead Pioneer sound system in it. Lokar shifter. It's got what is it, 9688 on your odometer. That is what's on the build. It's got some Autometer gauges in the dash. Of course, it's got a tach below. Really nice. It's got a billet rear view mirror, also with a prism. So when you come to the lights, you can get up. If you're up close, you can still see it. Again, Edelbrock dual exhaust, a 9-inch rear. Not a big gear. I'm gonna guess 355. Nothing massive. Definitely something you can cruise. Again, real nice underneath. Did a real nice job on that fuel cell in there. Really killer little truck. Seats nice. All billet pedals, again, all Lokar. It's got the dual mirrors. This thing just fires right up, man. Real good truck, man. One thing I thought about doing, it's got, you can see it's got a little bit of, to me, it's got a 205 tire on the front. I thought about changing it over to a 195, that way it'd give it a little bit different rake. I don't know, man, I didn't want it, you know, it drives so good, I didn't want to mess with it. And you just pull this out, or, you know, pull that out, just make sure it's locked. This is for your hood. Dome light headlights. Over there on the right is your electric fan, the one that's pulled out. Then it does have an aux to a plug-in. Cigarette lighter, I guess you'd say. Nice little cam. Oh, you hit the what do you call it? Gauges. There's no heater or anything like that in it. Wicked cool little truck. Electric wiper. It's got the what do you call it? Headlights as well too. With the little bullet turn signals. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking that little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos. That's a cool truck. Have a great day, guys.